Alright guys, last video of the night, and then we're going to do a little bit of calibration here to get ready for a big weekend. We have cars that are plastic-based cars in a 31 to 40 weight class. On the left, we have the Hot Wheels 500 horsepower 2010 Ford Shelby GT 500 Super Snake. On the right, we have the Kenner's Fast 111's Shark Shifter. Let's get them in the line. Looking good where they sit. And they're off. Ooh, that Shark Shifter looked good. Whoa. How about both look good? 2119 for the Shark Shifter, 2126 for the Shelby. Remember the times of those heavyweight cars, guys? Those cars weren't in the ranks for a reason. So like I say, there's going to be a lot of calibration, a lot of true hard testing going to get those times better for those heavier cars, because these light cars are something else. Let's try them in the ranks because I think they can fit. Current gatekeeper in the 31 to 40 plastic is the 2022 kit car. Let's get them in the line against that Shelby first. I think we're going to see a nice change this weekend in the 31 to 40s, which are pretty quick right now. Let's go see what happens. Both are ready for race number 1. $21.27 by Kit, top ending that Shelby. $21.29, super quick class. Kit is up to race 2. That time it was the Shelby. 21.30 to 34. Shelby's up 2 after 2 races. The 500 horsepower Super Snake is up 2, race 3. Bad start by the Kit car. Yeah, we're going to redo that. Counts no matter what. Kit can't get out of the line. He's not going to be in the case. He's not going to be in the case. 24 by the Shelby. Get the hell out, Kit. You do not belong. In the number 11 spot is the 36.2 gram gold medal speed Dodge Viper. And I'm glad that Kit car got out of there, because this, from the Viper on up, pretty consistent runners. So whoever wins this, I'm fine with, because I'm seeing some consistency out of that Super Snake. Let's get them going. Race 1. Very good race. 29 to 31. Super Snake by 2. Snake is up 2. Race number 2. Snake, did he put him to bed? Yes, he did. Up 9, up 11 after 2. Yeah, let's just call it a day. He's not going to come back from that. He gets the spot. And let's do something here real quick. With the Viper now being in the gatekeeper spot, we saw what the Shark did against the Shelby. Let's just match the Shark up against this Viper. It might eliminate it right away. And then we'll go ahead and we'll keep calibrating the Shelby. Then we'll come back to this Shark and see what happens. Let's see if the Viper's going to go. I'm going to hate to see it go. It's a beautiful car and a fast car, but just not cutting it right now. Let's see what happens in this race. Shark in the right lane, Viper in the left. $21.19 by the Shark. Look at that. $21.28 by that Viper. That's a great time. Shark Shifter up 9. Can he put him to bed? Go to sleep. Put his lights out. 21.21 to 21.26. Hard to eliminate a car that just went 21.26. So we'll keep him handy in case something's slowing down else in the case, but I don't know about that. Let's keep moving these other 2 cars up. Ranked 10th in the 31 to 40 plastic-based class is this fantasy casting, the M Pavita, weighing 35.3 grams. He's quick. Both were peg hangers, real cheap. Both are real fast. I do not think the snake's going to get around the Impavito, but I've been wrong before. Let's find out. Yeah, he can't get around him. 21-23 to 29. That Impavito's a strong run car. Up 6 after 1. And I've run other versions of the Impavito. Not even close as fast as this one. And on this one, you got to dig a little bit to find a freak. Got lucky here. So here we go. Up 6, race 2. Close race. The snake puts down a 23 to a 25 for the Impavito, which is now only up 4. Race 3. There's our position for race 3. Impavito by an edge. Okay, by 4 1,000ths. He was up 4. He's now up 8. Heading into race number 4. This will decide it. Impavito with an 8 1,000ths edge. Good start. Impavito drove around in big end. 28 to 34 puts the Super Snake to bed. Let's try him against the Shark Shifter by Kenner. Making an executive decision since the Shark Shifter handily beat the Super Snake previously. The Super Snake is now the gatekeeper. Let's see how far this Shark can swim for the number 10 spot in the 31 to 40 plastic case class. That Shark's real below. Whew. Up 10 after 1. Let's switch it. Great time. Great time by the Impavito. Wow. Say goodnight, Gracie. What? He top-ended that Shark. Impavito got a little pissed off at my trash talk at the line, and now is, I believe, down 7. I'm guessing. I believe he's down 7. Wow, what a great run by that car. Race 3, the Shark is up 7. That's why we run 4 races. Good race. Shark up 7. Boom, boom. Out go the lights. Good night, Gracie. He has him up 11 after 3, and that's good enough. But what great times in this class. Remember back, guys, those heavier castings, what they were running. That's all we have. No, I'm sorry, that's not all we have. We got to keep running this Shark. I'm not saying goodbye yet. No. That's not all we have. We are going to try him up against this XK, because this XK has been running really, really good. This is the 2006 version of the Jaguar XK, which is pretty hard to get. It's on eBay, but you're going to pay a price. So far, I think it's been the only one on the channels other than Races and Fun, but in terms of downhill drag racing, yeah, it gets it done. I've been fighting to keep him in. I think his days are numbered, but he's still running some really, really solid times. So let's get him in the line. 38.9 grams. This should be a really, really good drag race. Jaguar 23, Shark 27. Jag up 4. Jag in the near lane, Shark in the far lane. Shark answers. Shark is now up 3, 21-20 to 27. Great race here, guys. Shark up 3, race 3. Good start. Whew. Shark up 5, 23 to 25. Fast cars. Sharks up 5. These cars are giving it all they got. Last race. Good start. Jag is all over the place. Shark puts him to bed. Yeah, Jag, I don't know what kind of run that was, but it was a run not deserving of the spot. The Shark moves on. Great time. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. For the 8th spot. Man of Steel in the near lane, Shark in the far lane. Shark, 17 and 19. Man of Steel run some of the fastest times it's run, but it's just not holding water against some of these other castings, including the Shark. Shark's up 2. Race 2, Shark Shifter up 2 1,000ths. Super bad start by the Man of Steel, but it has to stand, and it will. We got a 24 for the Shark Shifter, a 26 for the Man of Steel. Sharks up 4. Race 3. Good start. Shark again. 1 1,000th beat. 21-21 to a 21-22. Shark is up. I don't know. I lost my count. I think he's up 5. Yeah, my brain got it right. It's he's up 5. Race 4. Can you put him to bed? Bad start by the Man of Steel, letting it stand. You can't start, you can't finish. I mean, he still runs fast. He was catching up at a 21-26, but the Shark gets the spot. Man of Steel falls. But even on the 2 races in which they were good starts, the Shark was the faster car. The Shark won all 4 races, so he deserves the spot. Up next is the 1994 Bugatti EB 110 SS, sitting in the number 7 spot, weighing 37.6 grams. Sorry about that. Let's go. Let's see what happens for this 7th spot. Bugatti 21-21 to 21-24. Yeah, that was a $1 peg hanger last year. Got real lucky with this freak, because normally nothing's fast on the pegs, and this one wasn't especially fast overall, but yeah, this guy here, yikes. Race 2, Bugatti up 3. Bugatti up 10 after 2. He goes up 11 after 3. It's bedtime for the Shark. Race 3, Bugatti up 10. $21-21 for the Shark. 21-23 for the Bugatti. Bugatti up 8, heading in race 4. Race 4. Good start. Bugatti put him to bed. Boom, boom. Out go the lights. That Shark is one fast car, and he runs some really good times, about 80% of the time, but you got to be there every run. That Bugatti's there every single run. That's why he deserves the spot. Die-cast Woodstock 2023 will continue tomorrow night.